Start by punching a pilot hole with the sidewalk sleever. For this install, we're running the AL400 hat. It's got the cutouts that let you see the color output. A neat feature when you're using the BT Ally G4 RGBW lamp. Drop in the lamp. Set the hat and the fixtures ready for staking. Quick bonus tip: all stem fixtures come with a black cap that protects the socket. Use it anytime the hats aren't on site yet. Maybe they're back-ordered, maybe the homeowner hasn't picked a style. Either way, you can still get fixtures in the ground and keep the job moving. Here's the final look. Staggered pathlights to avoid the runway vibe, and the AL400 cutouts showing off the color from the BT Ally G4.